Hey Wealth Wave You fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you ride the wave to financial freedom. Today, we're diving into a topic we all love, travel. But not just any travel, we're talking about affordable vacations that won't empty your wallet. Stick around because we've got 14 mind-blowing budget destinations for you to explore in 2024. So, grab your passports and let's get started. First up, we have the Philippines. This Southeast Asian gem is known for its breathtaking landscapes and warm, hospitable people. Imagine lounging on the beaches of Boracay or exploring the chocolate hills of Bohol. Plus, your dollar goes a long way here. You can enjoy a meal for under $4 and a pint of beer for less than $1.50. It's the perfect destination for those who want beauty and adventure without the high cost. Next, let's head to South Africa. This place is a dream for adventure seekers and nature lovers. From cage diving with great white sharks to embarking on a self-guided safari in Kruger National Park, there's something for everyone. And the best part? It's affordable. Enjoy top-notch food and wine in Cape Town or Stellenbosch at a fraction of what you'd pay in other destinations. Our third stop is Thailand. Known for its luxurious 5-star resorts and stunning beaches, Thailand offers great deals for budget travelers. You can find lovely accommodations in Chiang Mai for under $50 a night. Imagine exploring waterfalls, rice terraces, and even elephant sanctuaries, all without breaking the bank. Don't miss the Loy Krathong Festival in November when the sky fills with floating lanterns. Let's not forget Indonesia. Whether it's the ancient temples in Ubud or the waterfalls in Bali, this country offers luxury on a budget. Fancy a meal under $3? Or maybe a 3-course dinner for just $10? Indonesia is your affordable paradise. Enjoy 5-star hotels for under $100, making it one of the best places to stretch your dollar while soaking up the beauty. Yucatan, Mexico, is another fantastic destination. While Cancun's hotel zone can be pricey, venture out to find hidden gems and local dining that give you incredible value. Visit the pyramids of Chichen Itza and other historical sites for an unbelievable experience at a budget-friendly price. You'll find comfortable rooms for under $40 a night and delicious meals for under $10. Ecuador offers incredible biodiversity and stunning natural landscapes. Although the Galapagos Islands are on the pricier side, mainland Ecuador is filled with affordable adventures. Picture yourself spotting pink river dolphins and jaguars in the Amazon rainforest, all while dining lavishly for about $3.50 per meal. And yes, 5-star hotels for under $100 are a common find. Finally, let's jet off to Albania, one of Europe's hidden secrets. Its coastlines can rival some of Southeast Asia's best, while inland towns like Gjirokastar and Himera offer a more Italian Riviera vibe. The lack of heavy tourism means you can enjoy beautiful, affordable experiences. For around $70 a night, you can stay in a charming 4-star hotel, enjoying the best Albania has to offer. Now, let's look at some great domestic options, starting with Washington, D.C. This city is packed with free activities and sights. Visit the Library of Congress, the Lincoln Memorial, and the National Museum of Natural History without spending a dime on entry. This makes D.C. one of the best budget-friendly locations in the U.S. Las Vegas, Nevada, is another fantastic choice. If you're not into gambling, the city's incredible hotel deals might just surprise you. Stay in well-known casino hotels for around $25 per night. Plus, it's a great base for day trips to places like Death Valley and the Grand Canyon. Consider Rapid City, South Dakota, for your next affordable getaway. It's less touristy but offers amazing attractions like Mount Rushmore and Badlands National Park. And if you visit during the off-season, you can find great hotel deals for as low as $60 per night. San Juan, Puerto Rico, is perfect for those who want a Caribbean feel without needing a passport. Walk through Old San Juan and marvel at its beautiful architecture. Enjoy the bioluminescent beaches and vibrant street food, much cheaper than dining in restaurants. Next up is Whitefish, Montana. It's a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering great hiking in the summer and skiing in the winter. Plus, it's close to Glacier National Park. Whether you're camping or staying in budget-friendly lodges, Whitefish has something for everyone. New Orleans, Louisiana, offers a mix of culture, music, and food. Walk through the French Quarter, soaking up the live jazz. It's a street food paradise, making it an affordable destination for foodies. Opt for accommodations outside the French Quarter for great savings. Last but not least, Savannah, Georgia. This city is like stepping back in time with its cobblestone streets and moss-covered oak trees. It's a haven for history enthusiasts and foodies alike. With plenty of budget-friendly holiday rentals available, you can enjoy a unique and affordable stay. So there you have it. 14 amazing and budget-friendly destinations for 2024. Whether you're dreaming of international adventures or a cozy domestic retreat, there's something here for you. Don't let a tight budget hold you back from making memories. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Wealth Wayview, and hit that notification bell. We're constantly working to improve our content and create a supportive community. Drop your comments below with any suggestions or destinations you'd like us to cover next. Happy travels, everyone!